play with you. What I'm saying is I'm here waiting for you. Hi, I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play Satellite by Eddie Vedder. Okay, one of the more interesting things about this song is the introduction and the finger picking that goes along with it. We're going to be picking with our thumb, index, and middle fingers. On the first note, you're going to pluck the first and fourth string with your thumb and middle finger. Then with your index finger, you're going to pluck the second string, and your thumb gets the third string. So in order, it goes and then after we played that 3 times, changing notes with our left hand, we're going to play a little lick 3 times on the first string. Very simple. Show you some of the chords for Satellite. The G, of course, is going to be first finger, second string, first fret, middle finger, third string, second fret, and ring finger, first string, second fret. Now we're going to go ahead and put the sus on it with a pinky. The D minor 7 chord, first finger again, second string, first fret, middle finger, fourth string, second fret, index finger, third string, second fret. And your pinky gets the 7th up there on the 3rd fret, first string. On the E minor 7 chord, we're going to put the middle finger, leave the first finger out, put the middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. A7 is really easy. Your first finger just moves down to the 3rd string, 1st fret. C chord, like usual. Now I'm using my ring finger to play it because we're going to go right to the C7 chord. We're going to go from the G chord in the chorus down to a G diminished. All we're going to do is pick up our ring finger and slide these 2 down. Not hit too hard. And that's a G diminished. A C minor chord, bar with whichever finger seems most convenient. Usually wind up doing it with my ring finger across the first 3 strings on the 3rd fret. This brings us up to the sus chord. You'll hear a lot of licks in between the verses. And all he's doing really is taking this one note out of the G chord and raising it a half step and lowering it a full step. Raising it 1 fret, lowering it 2 frets. Which gives you some really interesting melodic things, and I'll leave that to you to figure out for yourself or make up on your own. And don't you worry, I believe your story. You were put away for something you didn't do. While I'm here waiting, I've been saving my love. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Satellite by Eddie Vedder. Don't forget to check in the links for the chord chart, and thank you for watching.